part 2 of Let's Unbound Math Kangaroo class. And today we are going to reveal and we are going to discuss a new question that came in Math Kangaroo examination for grade 3 and 4. So are you ready to reveal the question? Let's get started. So here is the question. The higher someone stands on the podium, the better the ranking. Which number got third place? So can you see here is a podium? We have provided one picture and the level of every kid is different. They are standing at different levels. So for example, if the kid is standing at the top level, he is having the higher ranking than the other student. So let's see which of the student got third place. For that, let's do one thing. Let's draw horizontal lines that will help us to tell the level of the kid. So at the topmost, we can see the kid wearing four number t-shirt is on first place. And then we have the kid wearing second number t-shirt. She's on second place. Then we have a student wearing number 5. She is on third place. And similarly, we can tell who is standing on fourth position and who is standing for fifth position. But we just have to tell that who got third place, and we got our answer, that is number 5. So correct answer is number 5. I hope it was easy to understand, and if you like today's video, do let us know in the comments. Do like the video and subscribe our channel for more such educational videos, and we will meet you soon in the upcoming video. Till then, keep learning. Thank you so much.